In this video, you'll learn how to work with Vertex BD. When you open Vertex BD, there opens a welcome dialog where you can create a new project or open an existing project. You can find recently opened projects on the right-hand side of the dialog. You can open a project by double-clicking it or selecting it and pressing OK. You can also open a project by selecting File and Open Project. When you open a project, there opens two windows. The first one has first floor wall layout and the other one has the 3D model. You can move between these two with the switch button on the upper left corner of the window or pressing F2 from the keyboard. You can change between drawing model pairs with a button on the upper left corner or pressing F4. From this menu, you can select the drawing model pair and change to it. On the left-hand side of the window, there opens the project document browser where you can find all documents related to the project. You can select a drawing model pair also from the project document browser by double-clicking the drawing model pair you wish to open. Instead of project document browser, you can open the model tree where there are all parts grouped by floor. You can maximize the window using the button on the upper right corner of the window. In Vertex BD, there are many ways to hide objects. You can hide a layer by holding the cursor over it and pressing H from the keyboard. When you want to restore hidden objects, open Context-Sensitive menu and select Restore Hidden. You can select objects straight from the model tree. When you right-click on top of an object, there opens a Context-Sensitive menu where there are tools for the selected object, like hiding it. There can be other tools as well, depending on the selected object. You can hide the whole floor by selecting it from the model tree and selecting Hide from the Context-Sensitive menu. In the same way, you can hide, for example, the roof. Hidden objects are displayed with gray color in the model tree. You can restore only one hidden object by opening its Context-Sensitive menu and selecting Restore. You can restore all hidden objects by selecting Restore Hidden from the Context-Sensitive menu or pressing Ctrl, Shift, and H from the keyboard. You can edit the project data card from Settings. Open Project Document Browser, right-click on top of Settings and select Project Data Card. You can export the project to VXZ file by selecting File, Export, and Export Project to VXZ file. You can find the same function in the Archives tab. When you finish working with the project, select Close Project from the File menu. If the Save button is active, that means that there are unsaved changes in the project. If you want to keep those changes, be sure to press Save. Here you can also export the project to VXZ file. The program makes the final save and closes the project. You can exit the program by pressing Exit in the File menu.